Loving you, girl, is such a lonely feeling. Whatever I say or do, I'll always be lost in you.
Ano ba? Hindi, nagbablog kasi yan. Say hi. Ganda ni Caitlyn, oh. I-edit ko pa.
Fit check tayo.
Pangit ang fit ko.
Ay, fit check.
Fit check.
Ano ba naman fit check ang pangit ang akin?
Sorry, wala akong tripod, ha? Nasa headquarters kami ngayon ng YWCA.
Diba, ano?
And we're gonna have an orientation.
Night time to rest bago mag-seminar.
Caitlyn, Rihanna. Sana yung mga manood dyan. After magligalig na upo, kami lang maligalig dito.
Standing ovation kanina, upo ngayon.
Ayan na, natulog na ang ano.
Ang tugyot ko, may pupusin mo ako. Ano, baka may makapanood na podium. Wala nang pumasok.
Anyway, I think naghihintay lang kami ng mga more people to come. Yeah. Tapos ayun, after the orientation, pupunta na kami ng Baguio. Why si Sheen yung nag-post? Wait lang. 7. Hindi talaga kanina pa talaga kami bibili. Maliligalig po mga taga-Saitec. Hey. Sige siya lang.
Si Sir Manta, Sir George, at saka si...
We're at the bus. It's currently 12:30. Legit ba? Anyway, papunta na kami sa Baguio.
Advisors pa ba? Okay na po ba tayo ha?
And then, ano siya to 12 ako. Dito sa sideway.
Enjoy nyo lahat, ang buong maghapon. Tapos yun naman, lagi natin ibigay sa 10 advisors ng mga teachers. 12 teachers, 10 advisors. Tayo mismo.
Matatapilok ako dito eh. Good morning.
Welcome to Baguio.
Sa lamig na lamig na ang bata. Halika dito. Hi, so we are currently getting ready to gala and cute outfit. Mag-fit check tayo, fit check. Fit check. Pero yun, papunta na kami sa cafe since free time kami buong araw and 7 PM pa yung schedule namin ng mga activities. Hi! Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Ang ganda ng camera woman nila, guys. Believe in me. I miss naman! Bakla ka!
Sige, paano ko aura niya? Mag-ano ka ng jacket, ate?
Apo, please. Ay! Picturean niyo na. Hindi pa ako nakakainom. Hi. Kaka-check-in lang namin and it's currently 3:06. And si Rihanna naliligo. And then kami tatlo dito. Nakahiga na kasi pagod na kami. We're gonna get some sleep before we go out again mamaya. Pagod na kami agad. Wala kasi kaming tulog. And yeah, we made new friends from the other school. Masaya.
Headed to
I don't know.
Chowking ata.
Hindi, I mean,
Basta somewhere.
mag-ano kasi kami, mag-dinner, mag-merienda lang kami kasi it's already 4 o'clock and hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Pero hindi kami mag-heavy meals.
We are waiting for Sinalhan.
Yeah.
Sinalhan Gaming.
We're waiting for our friends. Ang ganda ng view. I really like Baguio. Medyo nag-change outfit kami. Ganyan talaga.
Kasama po ang mga advisors ng Manila High School.
Market.
Nagpapaoy.
Dalawang order ng takoyaki cheese or na. Kasama? Yeah. Fish cake.
Sorry, hindi available ang raspberry, my dear. Ito lang fluently compatible.
Say hi.
Hi. Late na kami. Late nagising, late natulog. Ito, maaga.
Day 2 na, so madaming activities ngayon. Which is very exciting. So yeah. Fit check. Fit check ka, fit check. Fit check. Go then, shine. Fit check, fit check. Ah! Gaganda! Anyway, bababa na kami. Bye-bye.
I try to be kind with myself and try to be kind to others. I know there's a lot of mistakes, toxic moments with people that you've met. But ang alam ko lang, I'm capable of my change, and that story of change would lead me to my ex. Not my ex-girlfriend, but my ex, my dream.
Isa niya. So, ano meron kay bakit naging pumatok si nakilala? Sige nga, sir.
Hi! So, ang daming nangyari ngayon, so hindi ako masyadong nakapag film ng footage. Pero kakatapos lang namin nung contest ng interpretative dance. Per commission siya per group. Tapos yung sa songwriting competition. Sobrang daming nangyari. Ang ganda nung seminar kanina. It's about proper social media use. Tama naman, di ba?
Yeah, tsaka mental
And mental health across the gender spectrum. Ang ganda niya kasi parang all of us know na this or that about mental health na we have common knowledge, pero it's still nice to have an in-depth discussion about the topic naman. Parang gano'n, di ba? Ayan, pagod na ako. Gusto ko gumala. Ano pa schedule na? Ito yung schedule.
Ay, tinapan ako. So tired. I mean, I'm not that tired, but
Parang ayoko na lang. Ganun ulit, 10 ulit. So, makakagala ata kami mga 10 pa. I feel like I don't have any good
oh,
footage.
you know what?
Yun lang naman. Feel ko talaga I don't have any good footage, so I'm sorry guys.
Yeah.
Pero sobrang saya ng seminar na to sa
Nakakawarla yung kasi lahat ng gagawin is on the spot.
Oo nga.
Tapos like, you have like, how many minutes lang na given. So like, magiging active ka talaga, mapapagana ang brain.
Yun lang guys. Bababa na ulit kami. Bye.
2, 1.
So, si Yoshi.
Ay, si Boss Ganda.
Partner, syempre hindi nagpapatalo ang Santa Rosa City Delegate!
Hi, so I am currently editing this at 12:17 a.m. on January 30, 2025. Nag-New Year na, naglipas na ang New Year, hindi ko pa rin siya na-edit. It's been 2 months since these footage, this seminar, it's been 2 months. But I really got busy with schoolwork and napaliban lang talaga siya. I want to thank you, YWCA, for giving me this kind of opportunity to experience this kind of seminar because I got to meet a lot of awesome people. And yeah, I hope this isn't the last time I'm gonna experience this kind of stuff kahit na I'm graduating high school in 2 months. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.